Some of you guys have DM'd me on Twitter, on Instagram. Some people have even threatened me. You want to threaten me? Sweet old me. Hello, you beautiful humans. Oh, let me make sure the boobies are not on show. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today in this video, some of you guys have DM'd me on Twitter, on Instagram. Some people have even threatened me. You want to threaten me? Sweet old me. I'm gonna try and find the comment. I screenshot it. I was playing myself. I don't know how to cater to an audience because I'm not doing videos that people like. Wow, is there wow? But yes, I have gotten countless messages to do another get ready with me or another video in Wolof. So if you are new to my channel or this is the first time you're watching me, hello, hi, my name is Belle Michelle. I do fashion videos as well as travel videos and some hair tutorial videos. So I had previously done a video. It was a get ready with me in Wolof, which is my native language. Needless to say, I think the video sort of blew up, especially in the Gambian community, because I started getting hello Gambian followers from that video. Hello, welcome to the family and thank you for staying. I know that video brought a lot of joy and happiness to a lot of people because my Wolof was trash, absolutely trash. Blame my parents, not me. Yeah, that video was really enjoyable, but although that video was really funny, it was unintentionally funny. So I didn't then want to be doing a lot of videos in Wolof and just sort of forcing it. I wanted it to be organic. So I thought, how can I do a similar video again? And the basis of my channel is fashion. The reason I started this channel is fashion. I do a lot of hauls. Even if you follow me on my Instagram, you'll see a lot of travel posts, but you also see a lot of fashion posts. So it made absolute sense to do another Wolof video, but this time I'm doing a House of CB haul in Wolof, best quality dresses. Okay, I had actually filmed this video last year's summer, but then I lost the hard drive that I had the footage on and I was so pissed. I was so pissed. While clearing out some old suitcases, I found the hard drive, which alhamdulillah I am so happy about. So for all you ladies, have that in mind that some of the stuff that I ordered might not be available, but anything that is available I will put in the description bar below. With that being said, I really do hope you guys enjoy this video. Also make sure to give it a thumbs up if you do like it, and you can also let me know if you think my Wolof has improved. From my face you can probably know the answer. Assalamu alaikum bokayi. I was about no English. Assalamu alaikum boki. Suma moromi naka def naka suba si o naka ngoon si maa ngi laa gërëm yal na yàlla jox la at bu bëri. I'm blessing you. No English, sorry. So tey si video bi dama def benn sunset dam laa woon suma This is not gonna go well. So tey si video bi dam la won suma yere dama jënd yere from House of CB. So tey dam la won lolu. Wow. So léegi ñu dem. So dress banner. Is it banner? It's not banner. I'm gonna ask my mom. Wait. Mommy, how do you say dress in Wolof? Buba, how do you say top? No, like a European top. What's Milan? Thank you. Buba. So move me don't go like very parce que dafa nice. Oh, dafa nice. But how do you spell yellow? Mommy, how do you say yellow? Nete. So move me don't go like very parce que oh, dafa nice. Like color bi ndete foog naa loolu mooy ndete dafa compliment ñu honka xam nga man suma yaram dafa honka. I'm dark skinned, that's what I'm trying to say. Suma yaram dafa honka. Color yi you neon then they compliment nit ku ñu. Wow, loolu that's it. Man dama ñuul. So color yi ñetta rouge honka, I think honka's red, then they compliment Sumali. Yeah, but dafa am yellow rouge. Man si House of CB dama nekk size M, size medium. I don't know how to say that in Wolof. Why si yere bi dama jënd size L. Parce que bi dafa am benn corset. I'm hot. Dega. I'm about to give up. Pause the Wolof. This is way harder than makeup because I'm trying to explain different things and easy ones. But hold on, Senegal. Senegal, don't forget it. Ligo. Is that because Ligo? Sigara da fa rafet. Yere bi la salon si suma engagement dinner. Bepere ñep den wax ne Michelle yaa ngi rafet li ëpp na waay li ëpp na suma xarit yëpp den doon wax loolu because bii mooy sanse soo solo bi den day wax ne yow da nga sanse because bii dafa am class. It's a beautiful dress. Sorry, I had to just come into English to say it's a very, very beautiful dress. Dama bëgg wax ne bii yàlla rek moo ma dimbale ma sol bii because bii dafa dang. Foog naa ne dama waroon a jël size L. Bii dama jëloon size M medium. Bii nekkul sama size. Foog naa si House of CB soo order yére bu am corset. So danga am benn corset fii daf la. However, soo amee wear danga war a order size bu ngandam. Is it ngandam? How do you say larger size? Order a larger size. So I'm aware, but then I'm wrong. Order size bunga na. Fok na lolo moy. Wah bi. Nekut sama size. Dafa dang, but then dafa tuti. Bi duma wan ganaw bi because sama wan ganaw bi. Sama tat dafa tuti. Like it's short. So ugma na kasi internet bi embarrassed. O shame sama yaay dama def loolu ba pare léegi xam nga dama sëy mënuma ñëw fii man ma won suma déedéet duma def loolu suma sëyut sax duma def loolu. Okay, so next up bii la am bii dafa mel ni benn leotard one piece but how ma si wolof loolu lan la waaye lii bi dafa it's long that's what I'm trying to say. Pause again. Evidently, I don't know what the word long is and I'm scared to ask my mom again because she's gonna cuss me out. So, for the rest of this video, if you hear me saying Gundam means long. I don't care if that's not the word. Correct me in the comments if you want to. So, Fognane B. Why like Nako? They're very comfortable. So they're tuki. Munga so deep. Imagine the beat I made. How much will of Lee London to that? Bukuma large to me because I'm called large to be. So that's my joke. Why like Nako? How do I define some kawan? Suma tuki Lila sol. They're soft. Lee moy ganaubi. They're just comfortable. Like Nako. So tuki si aeroplane. Taxi, so they took it munga solbi because they feel very, very comfortable. Lee easy wood. Oh my god, Lee easy wood. I'm not in a video beat with the small one of me. Bahut. I'm not go. I'm not it like Nabi. Okay, so first thing, Bena, no, exactement, no. First thing, Polabi, daf masaf po baha. Kola yi, then they compliment nit kunyol. Be saf nama, be neex nama, be like nako. Because holal bi, be tamit, dafa dam. So sigana bi munuma ko zip so fog na ne bitamet dama wala na dem besides small large and on because dama fog ne because of material bi dafa neka dafa stretchy so jende bi then also size so I bah na bi dam ko order bitamit dafa tuti why tuti bu bah because bi dam ko sol smart dem vacances kola yila buga mange def me because dafa dang daf ma jox fuba ma melni dama bi dama xamna si Gambian culture bi so say next thing danga bi dafa bi kanya bi when are you gonna get pregnant bi duma bi tay duma bi ele su yalla buge bes bobu la bi why legi buguma bi ma why bi dafa dang so daf ma jox dama jënd top bi tamit pepere bi neex na ma bi like nako dafa melni faux leather. Oh my god. I did not just try to make a cow sound. So dama jënd top bi tamit pepere bi like nako dafa melni like more leather si wolof leather. Huh? What? How do you say leather? What? Leather. Damn. Dead. Thank you.
Definitely for dead. That does not sound right, but if it's wrong, blame my mom.
Like nako, bepere siga now dafa melni amna ben zip tamit
Dem ko style ak sama bepere nga jël sa ngenso did so dama am bi recipe sa suma jëkkër moo ma ko jëndal daf ko gis online bepere mu ne oh dafa foogoon ne dina ma su def na lu baax because dress bi neex na bepere dafa nekk si color suma favorite color bu rouge or xonxa how much.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was definitely harder to explain like clothing items and like describing how clothes fit in Wolof than doing makeup. It was funny for me to edit and look back on. Like I said previously, I did film this late last summer, so some of the items might not be available, but all the items that are available I will put in the description bar below, or I'll try to also look for alternatives for any that are sold out. If you're not already subscribed, you know what I'm gonna say. You've got to the end of this video, you might as well subscribe. And I think you might like this video right here, or maybe this video here. Click on either of these and let me continue to entertain you. I hope you have a good morning, evening, afternoon. My breasts just want to come out and feed the nation. Relax. I hope you have a good morning, evening, afternoon, or whatever time you're watching this video, and I will surely see you all in my next video.